I need to get closer.
I'm gonna just pick up all the quests.
What the are you gonna cook the packing foam or whatever the fuck?
Oh, it's a glass. Please wash that before you drink out of it.
Nah, it's fine.
What the fuck?
No, please. Oh my god! I didn't see that before. This man's making soup.
The stream quality is actually good this time. Can you fucking
Wow, is that your witches brew? Nice pick. Dude, this is too good.
Oh, cute.
Adolf Hitler.
Blitzkrieg.
Little beans.
Oh fuck.
Pet the kitty. Pet the kitty. Pet the fucking kitty. Cute kitty. Don't know what the fuck you're doing. You just run off randomly. You don't tell me shit.
You're so brain damaged.
I wanna actually murder you in real life.
I'm gonna rape you in real life.
Playing any game with you is absolute cancer. A couple minutes.
We should just argue about this while we're recording.
Not boiling yet.
Wanna pet him to death.
I wanna pick him up and just swing him around.
You wanna eat him out?
I wanna... Huh?
The fuck did you say?
Go, can you please wipe your stove top?
Oh my god. Wait, can you like walk away from your kitchen countertop and give us a wide angle view? Okay, I guess he won't. How is your kitchen even more dirty than mine?
Have a good one.
Doing your mom.
Tell me when 5 minutes are up.
5 minutes are up.
Oh,
Fuck.
why are you spilling, bro?
Why is such a go?
Fuck. Oh shit, it's on fire.
Bruh, don't do that while it's burning.
What the fuck are you doing? Why not? It was on the screen for like a second.
Be careful.
Okay.
Go with honor.
Did we get the quest for killing?
Pepsi Tower. No way. Kill yourself.
We do? Oh, crisp spider meat. I don't have that quest. Great, who does it?